H. Ability to distill, combine and/or aggregate data while excluding irrelevant data from numerous sources to create meaningful information. FPAC Part II identifies the ability to distill information from numerous sources into meaningful analysis as a critical competency. It specifically emphasizes combining and aggregating relevant information while excluding irrelevant data to support effective financial analysis and decision-making. FP&A resources explain that modern organizations generate massive volumes of financial, operational, and market data, making it essential for finance professionals to separate valuable insights from unnecessary information. Effective data distillation improves forecasting accuracy, reporting efficiency, strategic planning, and executive decision-making by focusing management attention on most relevant drivers of business performance. Distilling data begins with identifying the purpose and objectives of the analysis. FP&A professionals determine which operational, financial, and market variables directly influence the business question being evaluated. Relevant information may include sales trends, profitability metrics, customer behavior, staffing data, production statistics, cash flow indicators, or external economic conditions. At the same time, analysts must exclude duplicate, outdated, inconsistent, or immaterial data that may distort conclusions or overwhelm decision-makers. Industry guidance emphasizes that effective FP&A professionals act as information filters, who transform large datasets into concise, actionable business insights that support operational and strategic priorities. FP&A professionals frequently combine data from ERP systems, customer relationship management platforms, spreadsheets, operational databases, and external market sources when performing analysis. Integrating these sources allows organizations to evaluate relationships between operational drivers and financial outcomes more effectively. For example, combining customer demand trends, production capacity data, staffing forecasts, and pricing assumptions improves the reliability of revenue projections and profitability analysis. FP&A materials explain that successful data distillation requires both technical analytical skills and business understanding because analysts must determine which information materially influences financial performance and strategic outcomes. Modern FP&A organizations increasingly rely on technology and advanced analytics to improve data aggregation and filtering processes. Business intelligence platforms, enterprise planning systems, automation tools, and predictive analytics software allow analysts to consolidate information rapidly and identify meaningful trends more efficiently. Dashboards, visualization tools, and automated reporting systems help organizations present summarized insights in formats that are easier for management teams to interpret. However, technology alone cannot determine relevance or strategic importance. FP&A professionals must still apply business judgment, evaluate data quality, validate assumptions, and interpret analytical outputs carefully to ensure conclusions remain accurate and meaningful. Finance professionals must combine analytical reasoning, operational understanding, communication skills, and technological capabilities when summarizing and interpreting data from numerous sources. Effective distillation strengthens forecasting accuracy, improves management reporting, supports strategic planning, and enhances organizational decision-making by ensuring that leadership teams focus on most critical financial and operational insights. As organizations increasingly depend on integrated analytics and data-driven planning processes, the ability to distill meaningful information from large datasets has become an essential competency for FP&A professionals supporting long-term financial performance and strategic growth.